Shame on you! 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 Shame on you!
The left.
You're killing people my age.
Yeah, keep going.
Keep saying.
Shame on you! 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 Shame on you!
Come on. Say it again, okay?
Okay.
No, tell
You're
him.
killing people my age. You're killing people my age.
How do you feel?
How do you feel, sir? How do you
People
feel?
her age.
You feel
First grade,
good?
second grade, third
Do
grade,
you
fourth
feel
grade,
good about
fifth grade,
that?
sixth grade. All these people.
Kids,
Do you feel good about that?
her age.
Keep saying.
Megan,
Seventh grade.
this beautiful child.
You're killing people my age. Keep saying. You're killing people my age.
Shame on you! 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 Killer! On you!
Don't get mad. You guys okay?
On you. I can't help it. See that?
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna go and beat them up. When I see them,
Why you hiding behind the door? Come talk to us.
He's just a kid! He's just
He's
a
not gonna
kid!
hurt you. Come on.
We're peaceful people.
We are peaceful people.
We're peaceful people. We're Americans. We know our rights.
Amen.
This is not Ethiopia.
The blood of children is on your hands, sir! The blood of children is in your salary! The blood of you children, students, university students is in your hands!
Your paycheck is
Shame on
dripping.
you.
Your paycheck is
Your
dripping.
paycheck is dripping with blood of children! Shame on you!
You too. You too. You too, sir.
They don't understand. It's okay.